everybody. It's Diane Yetter from the Sales Tax Institute. And today I am thrilled to introduce you to Irina Sabau, who is the Indirect Tax Director at Patreon.
Hi, Diane. Thank you so much for having me. I'm very happy to be here.
So Irina, can you let everybody know what Patreon does and then what your role as the Indirect Tax Director is?
Sure. Patreon was launched in 2013 by and for creators and is the real fandom company. On Patreon, more than 300,000 creators connect directly with their communities to build sustainable media businesses. I joined the company in May of 2022 as an indirect tax director, and I focus on both value-added tax and sales-induced tax. I am responsible for all areas of indirect taxes, from planning and compliance to technology and audit defense.
That sounds like a big load of work.
It's very interesting. As you know, Diane, marketplace obligations, tax and related are rather new, evolving, more and more intense. And if you couple that with taxation of digital products and cross-border aspects, you are in a very interesting space.
Absolutely. So with all that, there has to be something that you're especially proud of that you've accomplished. Can you share that?
I am indeed. There are a couple of things I would like to mention. Number one is precisely my move to and my work in the sales-induced tax space since I joined Patreon. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and of course, I couldn't have done it without the help of an incredible team. But I will also mention the impact that my work has had on the companies I have supported. In my career, I had the chance, the opportunity to explore incredibly challenging business scenarios and to define the processes for improved tax recoveries and collections. And this has brought significant benefits to the owners and ultimately peace of mind and trust that they were in good hands. And third, and overall, I'm very proud of and grateful for the relationships I have created along the way, ultimately just by loving what I do and sharing my passion with the others.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So Irina, you've made an interesting transition from VAT to sales tax. So you've got a really broad perspective. Do you have some advice to women working in the sales tax area that might be interested in a path similar to yours?
Yeah, my advice would be build your network, be curious, and do not settle.
Well, Irina, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your story with everyone.
Thank you so much, Dan. Thank you for having me.